Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video using Filmora 14. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to drag this video to the timeline and I'm going to reverse this video. Before I reverse the video, I'm going to show you the original video guys. Okay, this is for the original video and then I'm going to show you how we can reverse this video. If we want to reverse, we can click on the video or we can select the video like this. And then we're going to click on this icon to find the speed option right here. You can find the speed option and then you're going to select reverse. And okay, now the video has been reversed and I'm going to show you the result. All right, as you can see that the video is played backward. Okay, and you can continue the editing using Filmora 14, or you can immediately export the result by clicking on the export option. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reverse video in Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!